Before I begin, I want to be clear. I am not an attorney and this is not legal advice. I am a Texas real estate broker and from time to time, I discuss public court decisions for educational purposes only. Today, I want to share 2 Texas court cases involving property sold as is, quote unquote, but with very different outcomes. The first case is Prudential Insurance Company of America versus Jefferson Associates Ltd., decided by the Texas Supreme Court in 1995. Citation 896 SW2D 156, Texas 1995. According to the court's opinion, a buyer purchased a 4-story office building in Austin, Texas. Before closing, the buyer inspected the property multiple times and used consultants during the due diligence process. The contract stated the property was being sold as is. Approximately 2 years after closing, asbestos was discovered in the building. The buyer sued the seller and a jury initially ruled in favor of the buyer. An appellate court affirmed that result. However, the Texas Supreme Court later reversed those decisions. According to the opinion, the court noted the buyer had opportunities to inspect the property, and there was no finding that the seller prevented investigation of the building. The court rendered judgment that the buyer took nothing. Now, let's look at the different outcome. The second case is Marlonia Ivy versus Victor Garcia and Wanda Garcia, decided by the Texas Court of Appeals in Austin in 2019. Citation number 318-00545 Texas APP Austin, August 9th, 2019. According to the court's opinion, a buyer purchased a home under a contract containing as-is language and obtained an inspection during the option period. After closing, the buyer alleged the sellers failed to disclose information involving a prior fire and an alleged encroachment issue. The trial court initially dismissed the buyer's claims. However, the Texas Court of Appeals reversed in part and allowed certain claims to continue for further proceedings. Same general topic and SESL, but 2 different outcomes in Texas courts. I will see you next time.